All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you once again for attending this bombshell Vortic United call. I'm telling you folks, we are talking about total domination. This community that we have here, with our diversity movement and working through Vortic United, we are talking about total domination in this space. Vortic United is breaking the records. People from around the world who are very serious and who are very, very intelligent investors out there and who are really, really looking seriously at something that is institutional and stable. They're looking to Vortic United because we're talking about something that is truly breakthrough here in the crypto space. So what I'm going to do now is, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to share with all of you a very powerful presentation that breaks down exactly what Vortic United is all about. All right. However, before we do, we have none other but the mighty CEO, Jensen Robles himself, of the company. And so he has limited time. So what we're going to do is we're going to give him his time first, where he's going to introduce himself, and then we'll open it up for a few questions and answers, and then we're going to jump into the main presentation. All right. So Jensen Robles, take it away and share what's on your mind, share what's in the future, share a little bit about the trading and how it's going right now, and the exciting future of Vortic United. And in a nutshell, what is Vortic United all about? And what motivated you? And what is your vision? So take it away, Jensen. Thanks for being on this call and taking this time for this.
So you give me 7 minutes. This is too short. I don't know how I'm going to do it in 7 minutes.
Go longer than that. Go longer. Yes.
Okay, Dora, wonderful, good time also from my side. Hey, good morning. Yeah, wonderful, good morning to everyone and each of you. Thank you so much from my side that you're so presently be there fully for the business presentation of Vortic United under Marcus and Dora. They are wonderful people. I can remember the first time when we was meet together. We was structuring everything like it has to be in the right way from the first day. We can say it in this way. So definitely in the last year when everything was starting and I was introduced to both of them, they're fantastic people. So thank you so much also for the introduction, Marcos. You're doing a great job. Definitely, you're a wonderful person. And Dora, you even too. When I was meet you personally in Istanbul, it was for me definitely a pleasure because I see how hard you're working and you're living the company like me myself, what I was preparing the last 4 up to 5 years. But let me start from the first step where I come from. I come from Germany. I was born in London. I grew up over there and was also starting my financial career in the investment banking in Berlin, forwarded very successful in Switzerland in the financial area. So from there we can say also 2007, 2008, when we was having the biggest financial crisis to this time, was people's very worry about them, her euros, her dollars, her pounds, and around about the world because it was a big crash. And we was trading also commodities such as gold, silver, platinum, palladium. For me, was it skeptical and I was thinking about, I hope it was the best decision for me to do this career. But in the end of the day, it was light on the end when I was going on my own and I was introduced very early stage after my career, cryptocurrencies out of the Forex into cryptocurrencies. For me, the biggest step, because I was thinking, wow, when other people maybe can make it in Forex, why you try it not, Jensen, a little bit also in the crypto scene. And for me, I can say it was the best decision ever what I can do, the biggest step in my life. To this time, I was invested also in cryptocurrencies, $24. I bought my first Bitcoins and I was trading very successful bit by bit, like the market also was allowed it. In the API trading segment sector for customers, there was aware of me. They would say, okay, Jensen, maybe you like also Mr. Roberts a little bit to trade for us and just try it. And it was for me definitely a big pleasure to go into it, because with Kraken and Bitfinex, this was with the first crypto exchanges in the part of the where we can go ahead into the scene and everything. So data being Binance is today my finance. Is my best we can say it, but I love really also to go into it. I was never expecting it, but everything comes like it was given you in your bed when you got born. We can say it in this way, because numbers and database was always be my part in my life. And I can say definitely when I was created, the Vortic United out of the community, what I was meeting in the social depart over the last years, where a lot of people was giving me the pleasure on the head and saying, Mr. Roberts, I wish please you can give us a community or a company where we can be with you together, because what you are doing was even to give the advices into the crypto market is amazing. What maybe you can even trade it for us. We cannot afford this a kind of amount what you asked for, but maybe for the future you can open it also for the local market, not only for the institutionalists. And this was for me the vision to create it. I was created out of it the first step my departments. Out of the departments was coming the community with the start of Vortic United in 2022 September. What was a huge of success. You can see it as a pre-launch. For us was the official start into the industry to create the compensation plan like it is today, with the launch of the webpage number 2 from December to January. Even also Marcus was a part of it to create out of it, because it gives you some ideas. You know me, I'm only the trader and the calculist, but of the other side, you are all this people there was making the company livable like it is today. And I'm very surprised. I'm very happy. I'm very proud of everyone and each of you who makes the company like it is, because not only my success, it is all of our success into the industry where we can go for a long time term with all the visions what I have for the company, what is created over years, and to give it now as the modules in the ecosystem into the market system. And the volatility out of the market, we see it not only in the part of profit into the cryptocurrencies segment sector, also in the department of the transactions for institutionalists, and even also for the locals, we say for the private area, to make really your life to be, we can say it on your own. On your own means you're the owner of yourself, you're the owner of your wallet, you're the owner of your money, you're the owner of your transactions. And this is, I think, the financial freedom where everybody was looking for, and we can get it in this department of cryptocurrencies. A very huge success into the industry with the department of Vortic United, what we're making livable for everyone, each of you. And how we wanted to do this? Clear, this is a very skeptical market. It's a risky market. Clear, you can also afford to lose everything. But how you can remind this or reduce the risk out of the market is very important. It's a part of the best analyst systems what you can have. And this is not only the technical department like in the Forex, like we know it from before. It is also very important to go definitely the on-chain analyst systems inside to exchange, to the overview over the exchanges, to see the movements in the buying and selling process, and also the part of order flow trading to get the acceptance to the market in the part of the orders, what you can see in the order books, what is giving from institutionalists, from traders, from individuals into the market in numbers and database, to see exactly from the first millisecond on where we're going and to an uptrend or to a downtrend. And also in the part of news, reading of news is very important, cryptocurrencies to go into it. And this is what we was stating in the specific side in the last past more than 10 years. What we are doing very successful, me and my team, and what we are doing is our profession. It is what we are loving, what we do from our hearts, to give it into the market and also to achieve the bestest goal for our interest, and important also for the customer. And I see, I think all of you are seeing this over the last past months. We are going now even to 1 year. What I really love to be with all of you on the mega events together, where we have definitely the success out of the market. And also the acceptance to the market. When you see the wonderful great office what we have in Istanbul, 450 square meters, we have a wonderful support department. What is a real support department with real employees, not only a cyber system. You can ask the questions that get answered, your problems get solved in seconds and minutes, sometimes even in hours. What we are working currently always in the highest of producing out of it, to get all the success and all the peace and the freedom and the ability to the customers, to make all of you happy from always from the beginning on, with in the next years to go, where we have a huge of success out of it in the part of our own exchange, what will follow up, the fiat to crypto, our card systems, our tool systems, and other stuffs what is coming directly for the community, to make it even more livable and easier to go with the market together into the future. And the exchange will be the highlight when finally also the institutional departments, investors are coming together with the community. And this will be definitely very huge and big in the part of the project development, the humanitarian project development. Some even we are already right now on it to get the first private placements also in place for the projects, what we was working on it, on the track record, and many more things. So I think this was the shortest one I can make. Marcus, I hope all of you are happy to this part. So because we have left 4 minutes, 5 minutes for some few questions, very emergency questions and anything is there. So thank you so much for everyone, each of you, for the trust and the beliefness in me and my company, and also my partners and members like Marcos and Dora, and also Melchi, he's also there. Thank you so much. So from there, we're going very, very in the future, in the success into the future.
Wow, thank you for that, Jensen. You can say that again. I am just so excited because, you know, we're not just speaking with you here over Zoom and talking to you. I can testify to all the people here that Dora and I, we were there with Jensen Robles. We spent several days with him. We got to see everything. We even saw his passport. We saw all the, you know, our team saw the trading and the trading that's going on in the various exchanges. There's so many different avenues of proof of trading, from documents that have been published, from the back office live trading feed, from the actual seeing the trading and the exchanges themselves, from you know, from the actual reporting, and it's just all, there's just so much available. And we've even seen the trading tools, the live trading tools that Jensen Robles has shown that they've utilized to take these trades. So guys, this is by far, and I will say it again, this is by far the only company that I know that has released as much transparency as Vortic United. They have produced more evidence, more proof of the work and trading behind the scenes than I've ever seen before in the history in this space. And not only that, this is by far the #1 network marketing platform that I have ever seen in my life, with the best compensation plan we've ever seen, bar none. So we're talking about real institutional crypto trading, the likes which we have never seen. Now, I'm just going to quickly open it up for questions and answers. And people can go ahead and ask their questions right now. Just go ahead and raise your hand and ask Jensen Robles anything that you want. And we'll, you know, he only has a few moments here, so we'll just take it for maybe
2 minutes. They're
2,
waiting
3
in the
people.
other area.
Okay, sorry,
True,
so
today,
sorry
today
about
I'm
that.
very alone.
Yeah, we'll take 1 or
Okay.
2 questions, just 1 or 2.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Anybody have any questions for Jensen Robles, our owner, our master trader, and our CEO?
Everybody happy, I think. That's wonderful.
They are speechless. They don't have words.
Okay, that
All right, well,
sounds
that's
really
fun.
great.
I guess he says, tell us a little bit about your family.
Well, my family, myself, is only me and my mother left. My father passed for a long time away. So from there, I can say my mother is still alive in Austria. So a little bit to the private part, exactly.
The same here. My father passed away a few years ago, but my mother, yeah, she's in Wisconsin. All right.
I have a
Don.
question.
Yeah, Don, go ahead. Or, oh no, yeah, who's the one that asked the question? Crypto.
Yes. How you doing, Johnson?
Wonderful. Hey.
Yes. The question that I have, when somebody take the portfolio, the compound portfolio, as the person who refer that person, for the how you call it, eh, um, you know, the residual for the residual
Okay,
income.
the residual on
Yeah.
based on the trades, the commission on the trades. It will be completely paid on the end of the duration of the 32 weeks in once. So all the profit what is coming from there out of it, from the portfolio himself, from the plan, it will comes on 32 weeks on the end of the duration, the residual, exactly.
Okay. So that means because there's a guy, he was saying, I refer somebody, the guy puts $5,000 and then he has no residual. I was telling him maybe
No,
the
it
end.
will come on the end of the duration. And the end of the duration, exactly from the package in itself, it will come exactly, of course.
Okay, all right, thank you.
All
Thank
right, Sean, let me see. I think it was Sean that raised his hand.
One quick question.
Jensen.
Yeah, one more. We can only take 1 more question.
No problem. Hi, Jensen. Jensen, I wanted to find out what is it that you have going on that we're able to explain to people that we have some stability in this company, and it's not like those other fly-by-night companies that do the rug pulls and stuff like that. I've been following you guys for a long time already. I'm convinced just for your
New people.
participation and
Okay,
everything. But
let me give you a quick five answers on these questions. First
awesome.
of all, I'm be always be there. This is number one. From the first second since we was starting it, I'm always was be there. And I will be there always in the future with everyone and each of you. That's number one. Number two, we are making the company livable, not like cyberable. We make it livable. Livable means real support, real employees, real stuff. Management is there. Lawyer was presently there by the opening. Real office. Everything is there. What presents for a legally company like it is. Number three, legally registrations, even with the regularities where we was going through right now, all the registrations in place. You can see the registerings of all the companies from us from Vortic United around about the world, wherever we was placing it for strategy into the market system, and also with the licensings where we are coming up right now. This is number three. Number four, we are going to our one-year event. And we was presenting from the first second, like Mark was saying, always our trade results so much and so far as we can without offer the whole strategy, but no trader will do. Sean, this is number four. And number five, the real department of me, myself, is that even whenever people wish, Sean, they can come always in my office. They can always come to visit us in Istanbul or wherever we are open in offices, and I will be there. So from there, we are presently doing all our levels best to present better as any other company ever was doing it before in the whole history of cryptocurrency.
That is awesome. I'm totally stoked with you, buddy.
That was the
Thank you so much, guys.
That was a really
I
good
really
question.
don't want to push, but
Yes,
I need
yes.
to go in the next
Go,
call.
go.
Bye, Jensen. I love you.
Bye-bye.
We love you,
Okay, thank you so
Jensen.
much.
Take
Thank you,
care.
thank you, thank you,
Take
thank you,
care.
thank you, thank you.
All right, bye-bye. Sorry, Don, I know you wanted to say something, but there was just so much little time.
Maybe you can
but-
just write it to us sometime and we can ask him that
Yeah,
question.
yes. But Don, go ahead and speak. I know you wanted to say something.
It's okay, Marcos. It's always nice having this call. I just want to ask one a little more questions. So far, Vortic has been so consistent to the best of my knowledge in all I see. Every time, especially when you put withdrawals, like everything in the system has been very consistent. And I believe that in the very long run, it's even going to have to get better and more, because for every single time you keep on enhancing the system, like the website, like everything is getting more broad. So I think the system is going to break a whole lot of record in the crypto space.
It is.
I believe it will, because the rate at which it's going, the pace, is something looking very sustainable and going to grow for a long time. So I love Vortic. I like it. And that was what I wanted
It
to say.
is. I know. There's some people out there, they complain about weekly pay. I'm thinking in my mind, I remember when everybody in the past in past network marketing companies, they used to get monthly pay, and they were happy with that. And then finally, there was a big thing about weekly pay, and then weekly pay came on the scene. And then everybody was so excited and talking about that. But then they got spoiled, because then all these crypto platforms came in the industry introducing daily pay. Now, I'm not against daily pay. That's great too. However, then when a new company came and they brought weekly pay, they started complaining. And I'm like, come on, guys, weekly pay is good, and it's very healthy for the longevity of the company. It's very healthy for the long-term sustainability of the company. So guys, I mean, we're excited here with Vortic United. And for those of you who have not seen this presentation yet, we're going to jump right into it. So we're going to break down exactly what makes Vortic United so special and so exceptional.
Can I have a question, please?
Yes, please mute yourselves. Let me just mute people.
Oh yeah,
here.
and also one more thing, Marcos. Somebody was asking me today similar questions that basically Sean was asking, and I said, look, I can only base my facts on the experiences that I had in the past almost 1 year, and I said one thing I can be sure that they delivered. Okay, so whatever they promised, they were making sure they were getting it done. It always happened, right, Marcos? Like it was not like, oh, sorry, we can't do it. You know, we changed our mind, or it's gonna be, you know, maybe next year, and it never happened or anything
Yes.
like that. So we had a very, very positive experience, and it was something that I have never seen, where they just were delivering results. They were delivering whatever promises they had, sometimes to date, like to the exact date that they were saying that they're gonna do it. Okay, so I said this is something that I find absolutely amazing and extraordinary. Not many companies are doing that, or none out there, because there are a lot of companies that just don't have a solid foundation. They don't have a solid management of money. They don't have a solid, you know, team behind them, and coders or traders. So that's something very, very special and very beautiful with this company. And I just cannot stop talking about how amazing it is. And there was this guy who messaged me, and I said, and he said, like, wow, I can just really see that you are really pleased with their results. I can see that you are really pleased with working with this company. And I said, I really are. I'm not pretending to be happy, and I'm not. I am truly happy for what this company is doing for us and doing for everybody else. So anyway, I'm gonna give it back to you, Marco. Sorry.
Thank you for that, Dora. Yeah, that's so true. You know, we're being as transparent as we can, and I think most everybody that is working with us, they understand clearly. Excuse me. So, yeah, I think everybody understands very clearly that we cannot guarantee the future. In fact, I want to take this time to just automatically, you know, just quickly share the disclaimer that we have here, so that everybody is on the same page with our disclaimer. And we need to know exactly what we're talking about here. We should have showed it at the beginning, but hey, later is better than never. So I'm going to just quickly share the disclaimer with everybody, so that everybody can see exactly, you know, to make sure that everybody understands the legalities behind everything. Okay, so definitely none of us, me, nobody here on this call, we're not financial advisors. There's a risk in cryptos and or platforms. Okay, so there's a risk in the cryptos themselves and the platforms that utilize the funds to do crypto trading. There's no guarantees. Results may vary. Nothing you see or hear is to be considered an investment or investment advice, nor is it a securities or a securities offering. Okay, this is simply crypto in, crypto out. There's none of that, you know, and you're actually getting, there's actual purchases here of actual packages here, and products are coming as well. So this is for educational purposes only. You're simply depositing cryptos intended to give you rewards from the gains. Okay, so they just give you rewards because they on their end decide to trade those cryptos, and they're giving you a reward in return. Okay, but there's no guarantees of anything. Never deposit more than you can afford to risk. The percentages of any kind are subject to change depending on market conditions or other factors. All videos, webinars, and promotional materials are for affiliate marketing, not intended to target citizens in the United States or Canada, and must check with local rules before joining cryptocurrency platforms of all types. So guys, this is a disclaimer, and it's very healthy that we all share this with all of you so that you understand, you know, we must put this, okay? We must put this, but everybody obviously can make their own decisions based on what they feel right, and make their own decisions based on the information that they know. All right, so what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna jump right into the actual presentation, okay? Okay, so I usually show my basic breakdown, but with this time, we're just gonna go through the main presentation here so that everybody knows what we're talking about. So with Vortic United, we are definitely dealing with institutional trading systems that's accessible to the public. All right, we're talking about very high quality. And here's Jensen himself. We just all got to meet him, guys. We all got to meet him, and we talked to him and asked him questions. Very exciting. Okay, excuse me just one moment, folks. Okay, pardon me. So crypto enables any person willing to deal with its possibilities to live a free and independent life. Okay, so this is a quote from CEO. We agree with him, and we're going to keep moving forward here. So we got the crypto markets, and they have been progressively rising through over the years. The crypto market volumes has increased, and it's going to hit really high back, in 2025 here. We're talking about a exponential growth in the crypto markets here. Just like the stock market is very big already, we're talking about a continued growth in this market. Okay, so let's keep moving forward here. Okay, so the market volatility is very, very up and down. The crypto market is the most volatile markets with fluctuations of up to 100% in short periods of time. This means that appropriate risk management becomes a challenge. With a proper strategy and considering and eliminating all risks, however, this increased volatility can prove to be very profitable and offers many opportunities. So while it's very risky for the different crypto industries out there, for the different cryptocurrencies out there, it can be very profitable for the ones who take advantage of it and are able to tap into the volatility of those crypto markets on massive spreads here. And there's a lot of coins out there that just go up and down very quickly. And Vortic United has been able to tap into the profits of a lot of these different coins. Now, these are coins that I would never personally hold in my wallet. I just want Bitcoin. However, we can earn Bitcoin and USDT on the volatility of a lot of these different coins out there. There's thousands of them, and they're being traded on the markets and on the different crypto exchanges quite extensively. And so Vortic United harnesses this power with their kind of trading that they do. So Vortic United has three key competencies here. We have customer oriented. It's very meticulous and trustworthy. And we use our expert employees perform at their best each and every day to help you achieve your financial goals. Security is definitely their top priority, which is why they work with diversified portfolios and are managed exclusively with our latest and proven strategies. So here is their vision here. It's definitely clear and unambiguous. They're going to become one of the first reliable investment communities that will simplify this highly complex market and let everyone benefit from its potential. Our main goal is to create a community that benefits from the different aspects of the crypto market. Our entire community will benefit from unique opportunities, and we will have a significant impact on the crypto market with our upcoming projects. Okay, so let's move forward here. Okay, so how we generate profit. We've got order flow analysis, and Jensen Robles has even written a book about this, folks. I've got a copy of that book in a PDF format, on-chain analysis and technical analysis. Order flow trading is by far one of the most advanced institutional forms of trading on the market. And Vortic United is good at it because they've got very, very powerful tools to harness it to its maximum potential. Okay, so to secure the investments of our clients, we work with a strategy based on diversification and focused on profitability. Trading decisions are made based on our 3-point analysis. So this is how they do it, folks. And we've got an example here of technical analysis. Look at the kinds of different trading that is done. Technical charts analysis is based on recurring trend patterns. Historical data can be used to determine the probability of such patterns repeating. For us, technical analysis is part of the decision-making basis for possible trades. So you got double top, head and shoulders, rising wedge, double bottom, inverse head and shoulders, falling wedge, Now, our friend Jan Grigor, he was there and he actually saw all this taking place. It was pretty impressive. And he actually saw these different trades, and our community, we all saw the trading going on, but he went into in-depth private shows, you know, where they could see all this taking place. Pretty impressive, folks. So the on-chain analysis, Bitcoin is definitely the #1 crypto, and altcoins move in correlation with Bitcoin. All these transactions can be viewed transparently on the blockchain. Transaction behavior can be processed and visualized with the help of on-chain indicators, since these data are based on facts and events and not only on probabilities. Valuable information can be gained, used for trading. Okay, so we got the order flow analysis. I mean, this stuff is very advanced, and it takes a very keen eye that is very advanced and knowledgeable in this department to be able to make use of all the data that you see on this screen right here. Okay, and Vortic United has these professional traders, with Jensen Robles himself being the master trader to approve these very sophisticated trades. So we're talking about something very advanced, sophisticated, with the most very reliable strategies with the data here that is being supplied. And they dive deep into supply and demand. While most traders in the crypto market rely on technical analysis only, the analysis of order books and order flow can be a decisive advantage. And this is why Jensen Robles himself told me that he only does order flow with everything, because it is the very best form of trading, because it is the most predictable form of trading. Very long-term predictions where they can predict the markets in the crypto markets from a very early standpoint. Okay, so let's keep moving here. So we're talking about the different investors here. So actually what we're doing is we're purchasing packages, and you are getting rewards on those packages. Okay, so let's keep moving forward here, and I'm going to let Dora take over here. I'm going to zoom in here so you guys can see exactly what we're talking about. So Dora, take it away and read this over carefully, and then I'll zoom in on the packages so they can see the actual packages and what we're getting on each one of them.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Marcos. Hi, everybody. It's Dora here. And let me just talk a little bit about the packages. Actually, the reason why I like to use the brochure, Marcos, just because it shows packages, but it shows in the back office, not portfolio. That's why I like to use that. But this one is good too. Okay, so let's have a look how you can get started. How does this whole thing work? Okay. Now, I'm just going to read what it says on the side, so you guys can just, keep that in your mind. We cannot promise you a fixed return, as our performance is variable depending on the market situation. Okay, that's why actually you will notice some changes in the back office, and it will say up to. Okay, and they will show reward, they will show package instead of portfolio. You will see those changes when you log into your back office. So it will say up to. So it's not a fixed return, but it's up to that certain percentage for that reward. But based on our average past results, we can give you approximate expectations. Okay, basically this is based on past results. Okay, so this is the kind of return, these are kind of rewards that they are able to pay us. Okay, on every single day, well, from Monday to Friday. Okay, because they are trading for us from Monday to Friday. There's trading for the company on Saturday and Sunday, so they can earn money. They can make a profit, so they can have backup money. Of course, the company has to sustain. They have to produce money themselves as well. All right. The portfolios have a fixed term, which varies depending on the portfolio. As soon as the portfolio reaches the end of its term, it expires and no longer generates returns. That's why it's good for you guys to have multiple portfolios running at the same time, because you might have one of them expiring, but you have another one which is still going. Okay, so, and in order for you, if you want to build a team, you need to have an active portfolio all the time. All right, just keep that in mind. Without having a package yourself, you cannot refer others to the business, you cannot earn commissions. So just keep that in mind as well. All right. In this case, 80% of the deposit is returned to you and credited to your account. So at the end of the duration, you can see that each portfolio has its own duration. Okay. At the end of that duration, you are going to get 80% back of your initial deposit. Okay, so let's say you came in with $1,000. You are going to generate rewards every single day from Monday to Friday. And then at the end of that 46 weeks or whatever, whichever you choose, you are going to get 80% back on top of your results of your initial deposit, which was $1,000. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Okay, the compounding portfolio is a compound interest portfolio. This means that you will receive the profits generating on the working days only after the expiration of the portfolio, together with, I can't see what is at the very bottom. I'm not able to see that. Together with, what is that saying? Rewards, or what is it saying? I can't see.
Yeah, you have to grab the bottom bar and move it up just by grabbing it, but I can read it for you.
Sorry, I can't see it.
Yeah, this means that you will receive the profits generated on the working days only after the expiration of the portfolio, together with 80% of your deposit amount.
Oh yeah, okay, now I see it. Sorry, it just moved. The bar moved. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, so let me do something here so that everybody can see. Just a minute here. Everybody can see the packages a little closer. So I'm going to zoom in here, 150%,
Good idea.
and then we're going to slide over here so that everybody can see it nice and zoomed in. Okay, is that better?
Yeah, that's perfect. So you can see
These are called packages now, okay? They're just called packages, yes.
Yeah, just keep that in mind, that it's going to look a bit different, slightly different in the back office, because you know, things had to be changed around just so it would sound more professional, you know, more legal. So we are not promising something that is absolutely fixed and it's going to stay forever, because as Marco said, this involves a risk. Every platform involves a risk. Crypto is involving a risk. So so just keep that in mind. Okay, and you can see each percentage associated with each portfolio or each package. And you can see what is the minimum deposit that you have to come up with, okay, for each portfolio. So you can start as little as $50. And if you are a recruiter like us, Marcos and I, of course, you can build a team, and then as you go, you can upgrade your package. You can buy additional packages. You can combine these packages. You can have portfolio A or package A, package B, or package C. You can combine them all, or you can go for the compounding package. Keep in mind though that from there you won't be able to withdraw. Okay, you won't be able to withdraw until the 32 weeks is up. Okay, just keep that in mind, because they need to let that compounding to work. They need to have that working automatically. So just make sure you let it sit there for 32 weeks, and after the 32 weeks, everything is going to be released to you. Okay, the 80% and also your rewards, your profits on that portfolio as well. Or you can have a combination of portfolio A and the compounding one. It's up to you, entirely up to you. But I would say that if you want to show results and how your withdrawals are going through and everything, I would combine. Even if you want to go to the compounding one, I will still have another portfolio as well. So just in case, you can show withdrawal proofs, you know, and how the system is working and everything like that. So you can show tutorials and so on and so on. So it's always a good idea to have a combination of portfolios for sure. All right, what is the next one? I wonder. All right, so about the payment, okay? Your withdrawal request will be processed every single Monday and credited to your wallet within 48 hours. We always get our withdrawals on Monday, the same day when they process them, okay? So we never had to wait 2 days ever, to be honest with you. So that's absolutely amazing. That's an absolute blessing. Just keep in mind that the payouts are subject to a 5% fee. The company has to sustain. The company has employees. They need to pay them, of course, and there are other expenses that the company needs to pay. So obviously, there is going to be a withdrawal fee. Now, you can pay in Bitcoin, you can pay in Ethereum and Tether, as well as in USDT. All right, so just keep that in mind. So you have 3 options to make your deposit with the company, which is absolutely great. Now, let's move forward. Okay, career. That's something very, very interesting. And I always love to look into the compensation plan of a company to see how we can make additional money, how we can teach our people to make more money with the company, and how they can make it as a career, how they can make it as a job, as a business. Okay, so let's look into that, how that works. Now you're going to earn direct commissions, okay? And the way it works is this, okay? You start referring your people, you start sharing your referral link. You, of course, before you do that, you have to register yourself. You need to purchase your own portfolio, obviously, or package. And then you can start referring others to the business. You share your referral link, they can purchase their packages, and your first level is going to be the people you personally sponsor, you refer them to the business, and you're going to get 10% off of their initial deposit, okay, their package value. So they come in with $1,000, you are going to make $100, just like that, into your balance. That is absolutely instantly there. You can withdraw it every single week if you want, all your commissions or your daily rewards, whatever you would like. And that person is still going to have his $1,000 running for him as a package and making profits and rewards for him every single day. Now, on the second level, it's 4%, third level, 3%, 4%, fourth level, 2%, and so on and so on. All right. In order for you to unlock, excuse me, that's an airplane. Sorry about that. So anyway, in order for you to unlock levels in the business, you need to rank up, as you can see. Okay. So for the first 3 levels, you don't need to do much, I should say. That's going to be automatically there for you in a way, because you can just have a $50 literally sitting there and that's it. All right. And you can earn commissions up to 3 levels. However, if you want to get paid on the first level, you need to be an agent. So you will have to start thinking about ranking up in the business. All right. On the right, you can see the volume count. That is simply the volume that is going to be counted towards your rank. Okay, so whoever is on your first line, 100% of that volume is going to go towards your rank. Okay, the volume that you need to rank up in the business. All right, so let's look into the bonuses a little bit more in the next page. Okay, daily residual commissions. Now, I know that Jan was absolutely blown away by this, just like I was. Because it is such a huge blessing, and not many companies are doing that because they don't know how to do it right. Okay, and the reason why is because sometimes they miscalculate these things and they don't know how to manage the math to make it work. Now, Vortic made it work. Okay, and it's working beautifully because they managed to combine the volumes in a way that is not that easy to get these bonuses. You have to work hard in order to get these daily residual bonuses. They're not giving it for free because they want to make sure that you are really working and you are really putting the work and making an effort to have these daily residual commissions. And what is this? You know what? It just says it right there for you. You can build a passive income, as you can also earn commissions each time someone from your downline earns daily profits from their portfolio. Simple as that. You are going to earn percentages and passive income, passive money on other people's daily rewards who are in your team, in your organization, in their first, second, third, fourth, whatever level they are on. You are going to get a cut. You are going to get a percentage off of their daily profits and earnings. That's absolutely beautiful, mind-blowing. And you know what? Sometimes I just see my balance growing constantly and I don't even know where the money is coming from. I don't know which level, who was that? I don't even know that guy. But someone brought them in and they're just earning every single day. So I'm earning on their earnings, basically. That's how that works. Beautiful. So, and you can see on the different levels, how much you're going to get paid, what percentage. And on the right, you're going to see that you need to be partner at least to start earning these daily residual commissions. Okay, you're going to earn on your first level when you're a partner. You're going to earn these commissions when you're a partner on your first level. And then the deeper you go, the higher you go on these ranks, of course, the deeper you're going to get paid, you know, with these daily residual bonuses. All right, let's go to the ranks. I think that's the next one. If I remember correctly. Now, the ranks. This is something that really inspired me and inspired a lot of people in this business because it's something that is achievable. All right. This is something that anybody can do who is willing to work, willing to make the effort. We all start on the investor level. Okay, investor rank, basically. You have $50 as your own package. As I said, make sure that you sort out your account first, meaning you register, you purchase whatever package you want to purchase, and then you can start referring people to the business. And then as you go higher, as you can see, the very bottom is showing the team volume you need, okay? That's the team volume that you need in order to rank up. The middle row is showing the package you need to own to achieve that rank. And the top numbers are the bonuses you are going to get, which are associated with that certain rank. Okay, that's how it works. Now, right now, we are on the last 3 ranks of the company. Okay, so that's where we are right now. But you can start out, like, let's say you're going to hit the goal for operator. Okay, now you're going to need $500 as your own package, and you will need to have $25,000 worth of volume in your team, and you are going to get a nice ranking bonus, a 1K ranking bonus. That's how it works. All right, that's how it works. And you can just put this on your wall. You can just put it in front of you. You can always check how much volume you need, how much volume you have currently, and you can just go step by step, and you can build a very, very nice income by doing that. And mind you, if you climb up on these ranks, the more residual bonuses you're gonna get, right? The more levels you're gonna get paid the direct commissions. Should I continue more? Like, that's amazing, right? So basically, this ranking bonus is on top of your direct commission and your daily residual bonuses. So it's on top of everything. Oh, and let's not forget that you are going to have your own package, which is going to earn you passive income as well from Monday to Friday, right? And you're going to see your passive money, passive crypto in your balance on a Friday evening or Friday midnight. Okay, so that's how it works. So you basically have, if I'm counting it right, you have your own package. That's number 1. So you're earning on that, okay, every single day from Monday to Friday. Beautiful. Second one, you are going to earn direct commissions from everybody that you refer to the business, even if they are on your 2nd level, 3rd level, whatever. You are going to earn daily residual commissions on top of people's daily rewards. Okay, that's absolutely beautiful and mind-blowing as well. The 4th one is you are going to earn rank bonuses, rank rewards. Amazing. So you have 4 ways to get paid with this company. Amazing. And you know what? Most people are stuck with 1 way, and then they purchase a package and they leave it there and they don't do anything else. And they're missing out on so much money, on so much fun. Okay, for being a community, for being part of this amazing company, for being with us on events, having fun, having nice dinner, having a chit chat. They're missing out the fun. That's what they're doing, you know. And I don't want you guys to miss out on the fun, because it is fun. It is nice. It is something that I want everybody to experience, to work with us, to work together so we can make a difference. And that's what we want. We want to make a difference here. Now, let's see the next one. Maybe, I don't know if there's anything else on this page. Okay, so thank you for your time, I guess. That was it for this part of the story, I guess. And thank you so much, Marcos. And I'm going to give it back to you.
Thank you so much for that, Dora. That was a very, very fantastic presentation. Very simple platform. You did a great job. Thank you for that. What I'm going to do now is I am going to go ahead and share my screen with all of you so that you guys can know exactly some of the basics, some of the details, some of the steps that you would need to take in your back office for going ahead and purchasing a package, placing a deposit. Okay, so let's jump into it right now. I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so all of you who want to know and want to get started right away, we're going to keep this webinar a little bit shorter today. We're not going to go over each of these sections, but we're going to go over some very basic sections, okay? So as you guys can see, I've made a 32% progress on my way to Emerald, and I already hit Ruby, so I received that $160,000 bonus already, guys. I'm excited, and I also want to celebrate Jan Gregory. He's one of our team members as well. He just hit the director level. So he started way after us. So congrats and kudos to him. He hit that rank of director and got that $8,000 bonus. So we're moving. Things are really taking off. Now let me show you real quick here about how this works. So your daily rewards, they earn Monday through Friday, and every Friday they will be loaded into your balance. So this is where you will see them from your packages that you've purchased. They will be loaded into the daily rewards balance, and then every single Friday, this will go to 0 and they'll be loaded into your balance here. Okay, so let me show you here, and shows you my last withdrawal right here from last Monday that I received. And every single Sunday is the last time that you can withdraw from the week. And then the cutoff time is 23:59 UTC time. And then on Mondays, they are processed all at once for everybody. Okay, so let me show you real quick here how to go about purchasing a deposit. Now, you have to be able to purchase a package. So you go to the packages here. Let me refresh this here. Okay, so this is where you go ahead and purchase your packages. But before you purchase your package, you need a deposit. So this is step 2. This is step 2. You choose your package, whichever you want, and then you type in your amount. But it depends on how much you have. So let's go back to the dashboard and let's click on deposit. So you click on deposit, and then you can choose which crypto that you want to deposit in. So you can deposit in Bitcoin. Okay, you can deposit in Ethereum, or you can deposit in USDT. Okay, so let's say that you're going to deposit in Ethereum. I'm sorry, USDT. So what you need to do is choose your network, either ERC20 or TRC20. ERC20 is the Ethereum network, or TRC20 is the Tron network. Make sure that you send your USDT on the proper network from your private wallet, such as Exodus Wallet. That's the wallet that we all recommend. Okay, so let's go back to ERC20, and then you would just send it, and you have 59 minutes, whichever coin that you send. You have 1 hour. So you send it in that coin, and then you just wait. You just wait for the deposit to arrive in your wallet right here. Okay, so let's go and give it about maybe an hour or two. And you can also click deposit did not arrive if you don't see it within a few hours. And the last option is the chat right here in case it doesn't arrive. So let's go ahead and click Bitcoin, for example. And let's say that you're going to come in with, oh, I don't know, 2,723. 2,723. You have to wait for that amount to arrive. Okay, so whatever arrives in your back office, that's the amount that you have to work with. Okay, so let's say that 2,723 arrived right here, and now you're going to go ahead and purchase your portfolio or your package. So let's go over here. Now it's in there, and click on package. Then you would choose package B because it's anywhere from 2,500 plus. Okay, then you would go over here and type in 2,723. Okay, and then you would just click purchase. Now, the moment you hit purchase, it will deduct from your balance. Okay, and it will go right down here, and you'll start earning it on the following day, the following work day. Okay, so go over here to dashboard, and you'll see that deducted from here, and you will start earning daily on your package every single day. Right, folks? It's very simple. Now you can even repurchase. You can go back to package, and you can keep rebuying packages over and over and over again. However, if you want to climb up the ranks and get those higher percentages, you want to go ahead and click repurchase. Click repurchase here, because if you keep clicking repurchase, then you can just keep adding to your current portfolio. And then when you cross that line of 2,500 or 10,000 or whatever, then what happens is you can have it upgraded to the next package, and you can start earning on those higher percentages. So there you go. And then you can just simply click repurchase on whichever package that you want, but you would want to definitely do it on the latest one that you purchased. Okay. And then once your package that you purchased crosses a certain line, say, for example, you've come in with plan A or package A, and now you've crossed 2,500. Now you can communicate with the company and say, hey, I now have over $2,500 that I have repurchased into package A. Please upgrade me to package B. And same with package C over here as well. The compounding one, we've already gone over that. You got to wait till the end of the 32 weeks to be able to withdraw any of that, because that 1.8% daily is compounding on their end. They're not compounding the 1.8% daily. Okay, they're not compounding it. They're compounding on their end, and you just simply have to wait, okay, to the end of the 32 weeks, and then you can withdraw all your daily earnings at the end of the 32 weeks, along with all 80% of your capital in one shot. Okay. And we also have an Excel sheet that does break all that down. And I just want to share all that with you guys. There will be we're going to get that link for you right now. Okay. So we're going to get that link, and we're going to share that link with all of you, the Vortic United Media package. Okay. So I'm logging in right now to get that link for you, so you guys can get access to all the different documents. Okay. Okay, I got it right here. So I'm going to share it inside of the actual chat for all of you. Vortic United Media package. And there you go. So save that link, folks. Save that link after you click on it. You can copy it, and you can access that link, and you're going to get all the access to all the different documents that you need. And let me just show you what documents you're going to have access to. Let me just close out of here. When you get in there, okay, so this is it right here. You're going to have, let me just show you right here. Okay, there we go. So you're going to have access to all these documents, even the trading proof. You're going to have subfolders in there. You're going to have access to all these different documents, including ones like this that look similar to this, so you can share on social media with next generation institutional proprietary crypto trading software systems now available for the public. You don't want to be sharing percentages on your public posts. So we did say exceptional daily and monthly gains to date. Okay, so far. We also have a live trading feed in the back office, and I'm going to show that to you right now. So you have these documents that you can share with your different friends and family, that you can post on your social media. We have different versions. We have a watch video one. We have an ask info, join link version, different version depending on the kind of social media platforms that you want to post it on, without any percentages of any kind. And we also have one that you're going to like here. It's called a Vortic United summary presentation. And this one is very nice for a lot of people because it's short and to the point and gets straight to exactly what makes Vortic United so special, so exceptional, and gets straight to the point. And I've done some presentations with just this document alone. Okay, and so here's the disclaimer. It's always important to protect ourselves, to protect you. So make sure you share these. and it just breaks it down. So guys, take advantage of all the documents that are in there. And we also have our calculator sheet, okay? So let me just show you the Excel calculator sheet real quick. Okay, so this is the Excel calculator sheet, and you can change the percentages. So if you're 2,500, it's 1% for sure, okay? And it's gonna show you based on if you repurchase on a weekly basis, and that 2,500 in 1 year from this day forward, if you go all the way down, I'm telling you folks, it's pretty amazing. So let me just zoom in just a little bit here. So 1 year from now, if you scroll all the way down to the very bottom, that is going to turn into a package worth of 31,610, assuming you started with 2,500 on a weekly basis. So let's move over now. Let's say that you're going to come in with 10,000, okay, $10,000 with package, and then this is going to be 1.2%, and this is going to become repurchasing, or you're repurchasing on a weekly basis. Okay, so this is going to keep growing, and you're going to see all the way down to the end here. And by the way, this is in the link that I just sent you, so you guys can download this. Okay, so here we go all the way to the end, and we are talking about it grew to 207,000. This is just without referring anyone. So you share this with other people, you can share it, and you can even grow this even faster. But this is just basically when you just purchase the package, okay, purchase the package, and you're taking all those earnings and you're putting it right back into the system. This is without withdrawing. You can do a 50-50 split, okay? 50 withdraw, 50 repurchase every single Friday, okay? Every single Friday when the daily earnings in your back office are loaded in there. Okay, so let me see here, folks. Let's go down to the plans breakdown. This is the basic breakdowns without any repurchases, okay? So the 1,000 with a plan A is going to turn to 2,508, and shows you the minus the withdrawal fees here. So it shows you on the plan breakdown here, and they give you, this explanation here. So it's really nice. They also show you the compounding plan and what it's going to turn into in the details. You can look at it very closely and make up your own decision based on your own risk level. Okay, when your own risk level, whatever you feel comfortable with. And here's the plan repurchase, the regular plan repurchase here. It's at 0.8%, of course. And this is just showing you the basic breakdown, and you can change it around. So like you have to change the numbers here, and you can change the percentages here depending on the portfolio. But remember that you can upgrade by contacting the company through the chat, and they will upgrade your portfolio level depending on the value amount that you have in each in each one of those packages. Okay, so hopefully this explains it for you folks. Just, you can play around with this. I'm not going to jump into details because there's so much we could spend a whole 2 hours just on this Excel sheet alone. Okay, so there's different strategies that you can employ for yourself personally, but this tool, this Excel sheet calculator tool, will help you make those right decisions. Okay, so I'm not going to save this. So now what I'm going to do, folks, is I am going to share with you the reporting, so the live trading that's taking place. So let me show you here in the back office. Let me get out of here. I'm not sure why this is popping up here. Okay, there we go. Okay, so here's the live trading right here. You can see it, folks. So this is the trading feed, and it shows you the different open and closed positions, and it's showing you all the different trades with a profit. So here you go. You can see the actual trades with a profit and trades with losses. Okay, so you got trades with profits, which are way more, as you can see, that are taking place on the longs and the shorts. Okay, and they're showing you the different coins, and also the trades with losses right here. And it's just amazing what they show you, what they're able to share with you. Now, folks, this is just a little bit of the evidence. I mean, we've seen the trading at the actual company itself, our team on the different exchanges. It's real, folks. I'm telling you, it's as real as you can get. So we're not just seeing a live trading feed in the back office, but it's there for you to see it, but it is truly synchronized with their actual real trading that's going forward. And with that said, I'm going to share with you right now a tool that Jensen Robles shared. Okay, so let's share it right now so you guys can see the live trading. Okay, so we're going to jump into the trading tool, and here is the different trades with the trading reports and history for the account 1 and account 2. And I'm going to share with you right now this video so you guys can see the actual trading reports. But before I show the video right now, I'm going to show you the actual book that Jensen put together. This booklet breaks down in detail how they do the trading, how they do it, how all the different indicators and volume indicators and how it works, the basics of order flow in detail. It's a very, very advanced book, but they show you how it is conducted. It's very advanced, it's very institutional, and it's very methodical to make sure that this platform is going to be around for a very long time. So this book, you can get a copy of it, and you're wondering, oh, how do I get a copy of it? It's in that link that I sent you, the Vortic United Media Package. You can access it right there in the back office. Okay, so once again, I'm going to jump right into the video, and Jensen Robles is going to break it down for you folks. Okay.
Yes, this is our tool. Here on top, you see.
I just heard some noise, so I just want to make sure that everybody is muted before we go forward. So make sure you're muted, folks. Okay, so I'm going to share this one more time. So I think everybody can see the screen, but we're going to play it right now so you guys can see it. Okay, so
yes, this is our tool. Here on top, you see open P&L today and also our balance. Okay, this is the most important 3 things what you have to know. Our open positions is here on the right. Okay, you see it, I was open a small thing so that you can see also a little bit about this, the 15.30, like also on top on the left. Then we have the trades, the trade history, and the way what you can see here, up and down. Okay. So then today was no trades. This is also why here it's open space right now, but the daily profit, what was into it. Okay, you see it here. Then we have the accounts overview. This is here, Vortic United 1. From this, we have a little bit also more accounts. And with the balance included the total profit, what was going on over the account of Vortic United 1. Okay. On top of it, we have down on the left here, monthly, the income flowing, the monthly income flowing in dollars. You see it on here. And on the right, our percentage, also that you see it, how much in percentage it was on the monthly based. Yes, this is one of my tools, guys. So I hope you are happy about it. Now you get what you want. And we will update you weekly about it. And you can see what is exactly going on behind the doors of Vortic United. Thanks a lot, guys.
isn't that amazing, folks? Isn't that amazing that they're willing to show us this amount of information? Folks, I'm telling you guys, this company is one of the most transparent that we have ever seen. Now, I'm telling you that this tool is just one of the many tools that they have, okay? It's just one of the many tools that they have. So you have proof of trading from multiple angles. Angle number 1, okay? The live trading feed in the back office that keeps track of the actual trades, the open and closed positions, the shorts and the longs, and the different coins that they're using, okay, to make those trades, okay? So that is the trading evidence number 1. The trading, the second form of trading that there's a proof of trading that we actually witnessed just now was the live, the actual trading tools that Jensen himself uses. This is just one of them, okay? The third level of trading, the third level of proof of trading, form of trading, is the actual documents that they provide in their Telegram channel and they actually show accounts 1 and 2. You can actually open up these trading documents and you can actually see the full logs of all the different trades that are taking place, and they showed over the previous 90 days. Okay, so that is another form there. Of course, fourth, you actually can see the kind of trading they're done with the document right here. And of course, the final proof of trading that is available for all of you is simply going to the company itself and setting up an appointment. You can set up an appointment with Jensen himself and his traders, and you can fly there to Istanbul and make an appointment and see it all yourself. It's all open and all available for anybody to see, but you have to make an appointment for that, folks. So guys, they're not hiding anything. We're just really, really impressed with it all. So this is just exciting, just absolutely exciting. So we're just moving forward. We're so excited to be able to work with the entire team here as we grow. Let me just give you a little bit of what's going on with our team as we're growing around the world. So here's the team here. We've already put in a total of, I think, around 12 million in our total team volume as people are, coming in from around the world. Look at, we're close to 13 million here. So 12.6 million. Our qualifying turnover is 3.2 million, because that's the total qualified volume based on, that's the total qualifying volume based on what's qualified toward reaching the next rank. Okay, because each level there's a certain percentage of the volume that's coming in that counts toward the next rank, and that's only fair and very sustainable as well. So you can see the turnover volume here that's coming in on the different levels. And we also have the referral commissions here that shows you the different levels that are being unlocked for the daily residuals, and also the regular commissions as well. So I've got multiple levels to unlock here on the different levels for the different ranks that we're going to achieve. And let me show you the ranking here. So I started out here small, and we just started building ourselves up. And Dora, she's already hit Sapphire level, and I hit the Ruby level. We have several people in our team that have already hit Sapphire and are at the Sapphire level. I have a few Sapphires in my team already, and presidents as well, and and directors, several directors. So we also have flyers for that to celebrate you, celebrate your different rank. So if you guys hit a certain rank in my team, let me know, and we can celebrate you in the group with the different rank levels as we go. Now, under the media center, we also have the presentations here. Okay, the different presentations in different languages, the rank up banners here. The banner, we have the different banners here, and also the different social media sections here that you can visit. We have the official Vortic United Telegram channel, official Vortic YouTube channel, and Facebook, and also in our team group, we have it all pinned. We have all the resources and tools and documents for you that is pinned in our Telegram, our private Telegram channel. All right, folks, that's it. I believe this is how you do a withdrawal. You click on withdraw, you click on the withdrawal tab over here, and then you just type the amount that you're gonna, and make sure that you do this on Sunday before the cutoff time of 23:59 UTC time. Okay, so if you're in the West, like in America, make sure that you do it early enough in the day, because it's going to close somewhere around, if it's Eastern time, US Eastern time, it'll be around 5 o'clock p.m. Or 7 o'clock. No, 7 o'clock p.m. US Eastern time will be the cutoff time. For the United Kingdom, right now it is 1 p.m. So you got to do it before that. But I like to wait to as close as I can to the end, to allow as much to accumulate as possible, to just do one clean withdrawal. Okay. So right now we just have Ethereum and USDT as options to withdraw. The Bitcoin is under maintenance. The Bitcoin will return. The Bitcoin option, but it doesn't matter, because you can always convert it on a, you can always convert it on a website like fixedfloat.com. Fixedfloat.com. Let me show it to you. I'm going to post it in the chat right now. Fixedfloat.com. You can copy that link or just remember it in your mind, fixedfloat.com, and you can go and you can convert any currency, your USDT for Bitcoin if you want. You can do it right there instantly and have it sent, and it's the cheapest, by the way, fixedfloat.com. All right, folks, I think that's it for tonight. I think we have it, down pat about as to everything that we need. Look at some of the withdrawals that we've completed here. 25,000 here, 16,000, 25,000, 10,000, 8,000. Sometimes I split up my withdrawal between USDT and Bitcoin. And I even did a one withdrawal here of $168,000 when we received our $160,000 rank bonus. So we're excited, folks. This is really moving. There's some real results. Remember that our results are not guaranteed for you. We worked extra hard on this. We worked hard, but just know that when you purchase your portfolio, those earnings are going to start kicking in. And so results will vary for every single person, depending on the kind of work that you put into it. So we're really, really happy. We're really thankful that all of you here are involved and participating as we take this thing, there's the bull by the horns, and keep pressing forward and keep moving forward, because Vortic United is one powerful legacy platform, and we are excited about what it has to offer. Can we guarantee the future? No, we can't. But so far, based on everything that we know, Vortic United is by far one of the best platforms in the industry. And we're talking about something that's truly exceptional here and making great rewards. Okay, let me see if if Don has anything to say and wants to share anything. If there's Walter, if Walter is here, he can say something as well. So go ahead and share a couple testimonials, my friends. Share a couple testimonials of what Vortic has done for you, and then we'll close out, and then we'll go from there. All right, so take it away.
Oh, maybe Don is not there or something. I don't know.
Yeah, he might not be here. And Walter wasn't able to show up today too. I think Jan was really busy today as well. He wasn't able to make it. He was intending to make it. He was trying, but a whole bunch of things came up. So,
It's
all right.
okay.
Yeah, that's fine. So Don, are you there? If not, we will just close out and, take it from there. All right, I think we're good, folks. We'll call it a day. Ms. Stola, did you want to say something? Ms. Stola?
Nope.
Okay, all right. I just heard you making some noise there, so I thought maybe you had something to say. All right, take
All
care.
right then. Thanks. Thank you, guys.
Myself.
Yes, take care, everyone. We shall see you at the top. We shall see you on the next call next Tuesday night at the same time, which will be at 6:00 p.m. UK time, 1 p.m. Eastern. Take care, over and out, and I shall see you all at the top. Blessings, and we'll end this call now. Take care.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.